All right. Sorry about the other video. So this time I've got some audio. All right. To get started here, I just got the simple search up, and we'll go ahead and find the location of this one on the GIS website. So I'll just do a couple examples here so you see the methodology. Here we got the search criteria. We'll use this first one here. So when you click on the first one, you'll click on map. Oh, before I do that, in the spreadsheet, where's the spread? In the spreadsheet, does the listing have a video or not? In order to see that, you got to click through the pictures twice. So if the third picture does not have a video button right there, then you can come over here and say no. All right, so back to the listing, map function. All right, so what you got to do is you're gonna have to try and coordinate, pinpoint where this particular property is located on this map. And so I provided this kind of document here to show you which county to use. Again, if you look at this one, this property is located on this little peninsula right here, and this lake right here is a good divider. Essentially, everything to the east of this particular water right there is going to be in Iredell County. See that? And then you see where that kind of splits right there. So this property looks like it's located right here down in this little area. See that? So because of that, we'll use the Iredell County GIS. So we'll come up here, we'll copy this, paste. Yep, accept the disclaimer. Let's see here. Okay, so here's the waterway down here, and again, this is kind of this area. See this long peninsula right here. So it's down here in this area. Oh, wrong way. Right in this area a little bit. Oh, jeez. Computer's jumping all around. Here, I'll just use this. This zoom in button is way easier. Okay, so we're on that little peninsula there. So now let's start zooming in to this particular location. So it looks like it's on this little side. See this little road here, and this little curvy road is a good indicator. So we're down here, right here. So down here at the very tip, and there's that little curvy road right there. So now that we can see the property lines, let's zoom in even more to see which exact house it is. So now you can see that this property line is right here, third, kind of third from the corner, 1, 2, 3. So we'll go over here and we'll see there's the corner. So 1, 2, 3. So 119. All right, you got to click the info button here so that way you can actually click on it. Once you click on it, up pops the information. You can click on report right here. And what this will do is it'll actually give you more of the information. So you'll see that the owner name of this property is this right here. So we'll copy, go into the spreadsheet. Now we'll need to add a new column here. Call that property owner from GIS. And we will paste that. Okay. Let's go back to the property address. So it looks like the property address says lot number 385, but that didn't make sense because that says 119 right there. So I don't know, let's just copy this mailing address right here. Copy. Let's go over mailing address. Paste that. And then you did not have the price per rental listed there per night. So this is 407. So come back over here, type in 407. And we have everything that we need for that particular one. All right. So close that one out. Close this property card out. We can keep that up because we'll use that again, I'm sure of it. All right, let's go to the next one here, lakefront. Come over here, 1, 2. So see how they have a play button here? It looks like it go to a YouTube video. Doesn't look like it's going to play, but if that would play, then you would say yes, but it didn't. So I'm going to say no. Price per night, $423. $423. All right. Now let's find this property map. All right, so this is kind of lucky. We're in that same general area, so we don't really need to move our map too much because there's that little curvy road. So the property we just looked at was right here. So this one's just a little bit up, and there's a little loopy road right there that kind of is a good indicator. And so here's where we were, and here's that little loopy road. So what we'll zoom in on this property some more. It looks like it's the one at the very tip here. So we can just see that it's this one right here, this one on the, so we got to have the info button selected. It's the one at the very end here. So we'll click on that one. That info card is going to pop up. Click on report. And so you'll see that the owner is Constance Holding. Copy that. Come over here. Paste. Back to the property card, mailing address. Copy. Paste. Do we know the property address? It says lot number. That's weird because it's the lot number's really 135. I'm just gonna copy that. And we'll just do this. How's that? All right, so we got all those, so we're done on that one. For me, doing this video a couple times, I already know this one is in that same general area too. So we're gonna hop down to this one right here, waterfront home. So again, we can close out that card. We'll keep Iredell up. We'll close out that. So we'll go down to the fourth one here. And you'll see this fourth one is right here on a different side of the lake. So it pops up, 1, 2. Oh, see they do have a video here. And then you can see that it starts to play. All right. So we'll just come over. Oh, where's my thing? Well, it's $251 a night. So they do have a video. $251 a night. All right. Now let's find this property. All right, so let's zoom out here just to get a good look of it. So again, there's the big lake right there. Again, everything on this side is Iredell County. Over here, that's where it's the difference of counties. Do a half zoom here. So let's go back to this one. So you'll see it splits right at this little area. So this is kind of this bridge right here. So let's go back and look. So there's that bridge we're just looking at. So let's zoom in a touch more. Let's go back to here. So it looks like these three properties are a little bit closer to this bridge, and this property is right around this little lake cove, which is in Lincoln County. So we'll come up here and copy Lincoln County. Paste. Pop up here, wait for this to load. Accept the disclaimer, sure. All right, so over here's the lake again. So let's zoom in. Here's this cove that we're working with here. So now we need to find it. All right, so go back to our property. Let's zoom in. So it looks like it's the middle water finger there, which is this one right here. So it's somewhere in this area. So we'll zoom in again. And then we'll zoom in over here. So it looks like this property is right here on this corner. See, this road makes a sharp turn. So it looks like it's right here on the corner, and this house is kind of situated long ways. So it looks like it's this one right here. So this looks like the same. So we'll do the info button again. Click on the property, and looks like we don't need to click on the report here because we got pretty much everything we need here. So the address is right here. 71. That's the owner property address. Okay. Take out all that space. Property owner is that person. Paste. Mailing address. Mailing address is that. So we'll do that. And copy that. Paste. So now we got the full address there. Property owner. What happened to our? Right here. Weird. A lot of space there. All right. So we got that one completed as well. And we'll do one more. We don't need this one anymore. We'll do one more. Here we go. Just so that way this is in, this one's going to be in that, this one's going to be up here. So it's in Catawba's. So that way we can see what that one looks like. Copy. Paste. Yep, accept the disclosure, sure. All right, this one helps if you turn the water feature on, so that way you can kind of see, those are all the rivers, but here's the lake over here. So we'll zoom in to that section over here. All right, it's not letting me do that. Oh yeah, let's see here. Then we got a video, no video, $250 a night. Which one are we on? Outstanding. Outstanding. Here it is right here. Does it have a video? No. $250 a night. Back over here. All right, we gotta find this now. So map. All right, so this one's up here pretty good. This might be a good indicator, this little jut in. Okay, so let's go find, I think it's going to be this one right here. So let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's see if we can't zoom in some more. Okay, so when you look here, it's going to be the first one up here on the north side. So we'll come back here. Looks like it might be this one right here. So we'll zoom in a little bit more. Okay. Let's zoom in more here. All right, so there's this road right here and this little driveway. So it seems like it's maybe 1, 2 from the tip of this little waterway. So 1, 2, looks like it's going to be this one right here. So let's identify. Okay, let's do the parcel report. Looks like it gives some more information here. Okay, here we go. Property address, parcel address is Saunders. Let's go back to our spreadsheet. Property address. Paste. That's just that portion. So let's grab this. Copy. Paste. All right. Oh, wrong one. We need the owner. Owner information is Sonderoso LLC. Copy. Paste. Mailing address. Let's see if there's a mailing address. It's going to be this one right here. Even though it doesn't say mailing address, this is the address located under the owner side. So we'll copy that. Paste. And we need to get the city. Copy. Paste. And then state and zip code. Copy. Paste. And that's everything we need for that one.